guys, today I'm going to show you how I cloned my tomato plant. So while I was pruning my tomato stems, I cut them off and I decided to experiment and put them in some water. This is how they look after 9 days in the water. There's some tissue growing out of this one. The smaller stem already has a root forming out. Now this is just 3 days after the initial root started coming out. It grows very quickly. I recommend changing the water out every few days to keep it fresh. Now here's my tomato clone just after 18 days of being in water. The bigger stem hasn't formed its own roots yet, so I put it in another jar of water. After it's grown enough roots, it can be transplanted now. That's Ryan, my soil guy. After transplanting the tomato clone, make sure you give it a good water. Thanks for watching!